Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In the last video, we arranged the bottom panel, and in this video, we will set AutoScroll property for the table layout panel control so that we can scroll through the bits, the checkboxes within the table layout panel container. So these are all the videos from the previous parts. So in the last video, we forgot to add this reserve button. In this video, we will add it. So in the top portion, we actually having the table layout panel. So here we will have cells like this. So far, we haven't yet turned on these cells. We just have these rows only. Cell we will add later. Now what we are going to do, we will add the scroll bar support here. So once we add the scroll bar support, we can actually scroll through the content. So here if you see, initially it will display 1 to 10 checkboxes, and remaining we can actually scroll through the content. So they will be here. So we can scroll those checkboxes using the scroll bar support. So all we have to do is we have to set auto scroll property to true. So now we will turn on the auto scroll for our table layout panel container. So here if you see, we added a button called BTN reserve. Then back color we set it to this one. So this is the back color, and forecolor we set it as black so that the button will be visible like this. Now we will go to our document outline view and select the table layout panel. Then we will right click and choose properties. Then auto scroll is by default turned off. Now we will turn it on. So that's all here, and here you are not seeing the grids. So we will turn it on in the next video. For now, since we set auto size to true, the table layout panel is looking like this. And since we are done with this bottom panel, we will delete the text content here. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.